What's going on, YouTube? This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, back with another video. Yeah, that's right. You see it. Had to give up on my other tank. For some reason, I don't know why, but this bad boy is still leaking. Same spot. Had it welded twice, so just gonna replace it. So if you've never installed a fuel tank before, a transfer tank, this would be a good video to watch because I'm gonna basically film it all, show you how I install it from the front to the back. So stay tuned as I get busy. grab that. Well, let me grab it. Let's start it off. What's that? Let's grab this. I'm gonna slide this off. No, don't get up. So right now we got the tank unbolted, got the valve on, got some little props in there to gotta lift it up, pull some of that fuel out. We'll get the rest of the fuel out anyway. Got some boxes up under it to lift it up, and just basically using the gravitation to run down in the back corner here and drain all the fuel, the remaining fuel out of the tank. So once we get it swapped out, once we get it drained, we're gonna pop us 2 holes right here. And we're gonna pop us 2 holes right there. Swap the plug out. And voila, magic. We'll probably use some of that plumber's, not the tape, but they got like a glue type substance that we'll put on there. I'll show you guys that too. So stand by. Okay, now I got all my holes ported. Got me a hole there and another at the bottom. And it comes with these tabs right here that you put on the bottom of the tank to keep it keep the vibration down, and also to keep it from rubbing against the bed. So go ahead and install those. And then I've already put in my a valve. So I'm going to tell you guys, this is what I use right here. This thread sealant on it, keep it from leaking. And just put it in, screw it in real nice and tight. And then you're ready to mount. Once I get it in. Alright, so let me get me some help. I'll mount it down and hook up the fuel line. It should be good to go. Alright, it's in, finally. Got it bolted in. I got my fuel inlet line tied in. Got my exhaust line tied in on both sides. So it's in. Hopefully this one will last a lot longer than the other one. You know, I had to get this like on an emergency deal because I've had my other one repaired twice. No one else in town had one, so this fuel tank saves us about 8 hours a week. So, you know, I do what I gotta do. Anyway, this is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we're driving for financial freedom. Like, subscribe to the channel. Visit us or subscribe to us at Sandtrans Hotshot on IG and at Sandtrans LLC on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave your comments down below. Talk to you next time.